Content is king. Now, this is more than a business saying, it's reality. Hi, I'm Devin. If you're a content creator looking to start a website, you're in luck. I'm about to share 5 vital tips you need to know. Content creation is exciting when you achieve success and get the results you want. Here are 5 top tips to become a successful content creator in your industry. First, figure out your niche. When you figure out what your content will be about, you'll represent that sole interest and attract an audience interested in what you do. Don't be a jack of all trades. Niching down helps you scale up your content. Second, set up your website. Thinking about starting a website to take your content creation to a higher level? Don't stall, do it. Websites are a gateway to increased sales, credibility, and brand growth. You can start by choosing WordPress as your blogging platform, a suitable domain name, a reliable hosting provider like Bluehost. Third, build a working content creation mechanism. To improve your content creation process and results, you need to build a system. You can create rough drafts when you get ideas, batch your content creation process, and build a content calendar. Fourth, use your content analytics to improve. Don't churn out 1,000 pieces of content for consistency's sake. While consistency is important, it's essential to track your content's performance to see what your audience wants. Use the results to enhance your content creation. Fifth, take content distribution seriously. Content is only relevant when its target audience consumes it. So don't just create content that gets no traction. Practice effective content marketing techniques to promote your articles, videos, and podcasts to those most likely to enjoy them. For more awesome tips to grow your business, like and subscribe to our channel. You can also find us at Bluehost on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.